It's turned around facing me. Is that?
Is it?
No, that's you.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the on and off?
You just push this button right here
Okay.
to record.
And then push it to stop?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Back in the office, and we're getting ready to draw blood again. I had my cigarette, and I showed you that. That was my first cigarette in 3 days. I've been smoking the light cigars for the past 3 days, trying to slow down on the nicotine, which has been working for me so far. So I don't know if that's my answer, but my objective is to stop smoking by Christmas. And so far I feel like I'm headed that way, but only time will tell. Christmas will tell us. So Dr. Carol's getting ready to stick my finger again, and I don't like needles, so I'm not going to shoot her taking the blood from me, because then you're going to hear me whine because I'm a big baby when it comes to needles. Alrighty.
Mary doesn't know, but we're going to do acupuncture on her to help her stop smoking.
Oh, that involves needles.
And they don't hurt. They don't hurt. Just done in your ear. Okay?
Well, that'll be something to see. I ain't met a needle yet that didn't hurt.
Okay, well, maybe today. Thanks.
Okay.
See you in a minute. Bye.
Okay, Dr. Carol has poked my finger and gotten some more blood. And now we're going to look and see what the effects of the nicotine has on the blood. She's working that, and I'm going to go over here to the big screen so we can take a look and see what we have.
I picked an area that wasn't quite as crowded because I really wanted to look at the red blood cells in detail.
To me, it looks like my blood cells are a little hyper this round.
Like they're moving quick, huh?
Oh, I know I ended up with this buzz from not smoking for so many hours.
Right. What I'm looking at and what I'm looking for is the outside of the red blood cells now. I'm looking for a little prickly effect right there. And we're getting some. They're not roundish anymore. They have like little bumpies around them. I'm going to take it down to a next level if I can. I have to put some special oil on the slide. And see if we can get it all the way down to looking at the outside of the cell. That's exactly what I wanted to show. They're moving so fast that what we're looking at is the quality of the outside of a single cell. And it's all prickly. Again, we're looking at rouleau, the grouping, clumping together of the cells like we had before. Right here. Oh, I wish I could get these guys to stop moving so fast. So I can show you.
This is your blood on nicotine. Fast moving.
Now here's what I want to show you. You'll be seeing a cell come across the slide right there, and you'll be looking at a roughness of the outside of the cells. There we go. You have to be patient. It takes a minute with this to show you. We saw bacteria there. Well, the outside is misshapen. You can see these are not nice and round anymore.
Right.
They're misshapen. That one is not too bad, but a lot of the others are bumpy. See that one?
Yep.
Okay. That's a chemical reaction of toxicity. And I'm really impressed that one cigarette gave us that much toxicity. These are not round anymore. These are all like bumpy. Well, see, it's sliding from one place in the slide to another, so I have to see if I can get it to stop moving so fast so we can, here we go. Find a place where it's not traveling quite so fast. Take a look at that clump right there. It's not nice and round anymore. Can you imagine trying to go on a tire that looks like this?
Yeah.
There's a little bacteria. It's obvious. Look at this chunk down here. Look at that. They're not the normal rouleau anymore. They are all misshapen. That's what nicotine does to your red blood cells. These are not normal. They're clumped. You're not getting good oxygen carrying capacity. They're all sprickly. See the sprickliness?
Yep.
See the sprickliness?
Yep.
Very, very good. Are you getting that good on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Wonderful. See if you can zoom in a little bit. Good. Okay, the outside of these are no longer round. They don't look like nice round tires. They should look more like this, and they're really irregular in shape. That's because they're having a toxic reaction to that cigarette. So the question is whether you would like blood that looks like this, all sprickly, unable to carry oxygen very well, or you would like normal, good, red, round blood cells.
Yeah, I'm not seeing them all stacked up like they were either.
They're not nice and smooth rouleau. They're very irregular and smashed down together. So the difference is between that and the first slide. That is, they're not healthy or well at all right now. See the sprickliness?
Mm-hmm.
See, everyone is sprickly. I expected to see that because I know what happens when you toxify some blood. I've seen people with toxic blood. And I had the idea, actually God gave me the idea, to do before and after red blood cell analysis. This is so revealing. This is so evident. I'm so pleased we did this. If at this point you can't see what cigarette smoking does to your blood, every cigarette that you smoke does that to your blood, then I don't know how to convince you. Thanks for watching. And acupuncture will enable you to stop smoking, but you have to be ready. What acupuncture does is it stops the cravings, it turns off the habit of the cravings, and it reduces anxiety. If you need those things to stop smoking, then acupuncture, which we have over 95% successful rate with acupuncture, and the people need to stop and they need to desire to stop cold turkey, and we will help them. It's a wonderful way to stop smoking. Thanks for tuning in. Look at them. Aren't they amazing? Can you focus in real close on those?
That doesn't really go back.
There, perfect. That is not healthy blood at all compared to how it was before. It's clumped and irregular. That's a beautiful example. I'm going to get my camera.